Hello everyone, welcome to the Yarn Barn. Today I have another unboxing event filmed on the camera that I did the unboxing for last week. So I got this package from Amazon and they actually had a special going for free shipping, so that was awesome. But, so what I ordered was the crochet hook case set by Yazy Crafts that was featured by Glenda on the Creative Grandma channel. She did a review and giveaway for it, and I did not win the giveaway, but I loved the set so much that I decided to order my own. Now, I tried doing this video a moment ago, and I already opened the package, and because I thought it was recording, and right when I reached in to grab the package out, my camera turned off because it thought it wasn't working. So we're doing this again. I have already opened it, so here we go. Here's the package. It's so excited to see it says Yazy Crafts across the top. You can see there's the hook set in there. One moment, you guys. Sorry about that. I had some brownies in the oven. Okay, anyway. Here's the set. You can see it right here. It says Yazy Crafts across the top. And there are some words on the back. Let's read what those say. It says Yazy Crafts here across the top. And it says, creativity is the key to happiness, and we are incredibly happy to contribute to an extra smile or two on your face. We hope you enjoy the item you've just received. Whether you're into painting, scrapbooking, knitting, sewing, drawing, or participating in any other avenue of creative enjoyment, we're proud to be there at your side. Please contact us if you have any questions or comments about your experience. That's exciting. I like that. I love things. Oh, and down here, I love things that are fun like that. I enjoy it a lot. Here at the bottom of the package, it says, tell us your experience. Comment at amazon.com/RYP. And down here it says, made in China. So excited. And I love this bag. And if you look at the top of the bag, it kind of looks like it's a Ziploc bag. Okay, let's find out. Let's see. Yep, it is. Look, the top opens. Alright, let's see. Yeah, it's a Ziploc bag. That is cool. I gotta zip this bag up again. I love that. That's cool. I like that a lot. Okay, let's open this up and get into this suitcase. Okay? Alright, so here is the hook case. It is blue. I can tell on the camera it kind of looks black, but it is a denim blue, dark denim blue. It has two zipper pockets, so you can see, and it doesn't really say which way is the front or which way is the back. So let's open it like a book. So we're going to start here. Alright, I'm going to start right here with this first one. Here we go. Let's see what's in it. Alright, here are the padded hooks. They're all colorful. The smallest right here is green. Oh, it's a nice rubbery padding. I like that. This size is a 2 millimeter. So it goes down to the 2 millimeter. And it goes all the way up to this one is the 6 millimeter. So it goes from 2 to 6. Alright, let's see. So we have the 2 millimeter at this end, 6 at this end. Let's see what all these other ones are. This yellow one is a 2.5. I love how these pockets fit perfectly. This orange one right here, this one is a 3 millimeter. This hot pink one, I love hot pink. This one is a 3.5 millimeter. This one is a 4 millimeter. this one right here, this green one, is a 4.5, and looks like we have a theme going. If I'm right, this purple one will be a 5mm. Let's see, am I right? It is. This is a 5mm. And I'm going to guess, since the last hook in here is the 6mm, that this is the 5.5. And I am right. This one is the 5.5. That is really cool. I have all the sizes I need for just about everything now. I am so excited. I need to get these hooks back in here properly. There we go. This one needs to go in here a little bit. For the bigger hooks, they're kind of sticking a little bit, putting them back in. But I am loving this case. I love how it's travel size, so I can just put it in my knitting bag and just go. Let's see what's in this zipper pocket. Let's start with this down here, this yellow thing down here. This is a measuring tape. It has a little button here for you to track it back in. So you pull it out and it stops. And you push this button and it comes back in. And it's cloth, so it wraps around things really easily for measuring. And let's see how wide it goes. One side it has inches. There we go. And the other side has centimeters. I like that a lot. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's see how long this is in inches, because I'm not real good at centimeters. Let's see. I like how it has an automatic stop. This goes up to 60 inches. So, I think that's 12 feet. So watch. Push the button and it all came back up again. Well, it twisted a little bit. There we go. I like that a lot. That's really cool. I think that's really neat. Stop. I love you. I'm filming right now, baby. Okay? Go tell daddy. Go tell daddy. Okay? Sorry, that was my baby girl. Okay, so I like that a lot. Let's see what else is in here. Let's see. Oh, we got stitch markers and tapestry needles. And I think it said on the site these are for knitting. I'm not really a knitter yet. I will be learning how to knit, so I will be learning how to use these. So it is cool, huh, baby?
I didn't know.
So these are stitch markers. I've never used any this big. It comes with two. These are the two sizes. There's a blue one and a coppery orange one. And blue one's the larger one. And some tapestry needles. I'm loving that a lot. That's really cool. I am in serious need of tapestry needles. Alright, let's put those back into our case right here. And then that just zips back up. That little pocket just zips right back up. Okay, so that's it for the first pocket. Okay, let's close this up and open the next pocket. I am so excited. I apologize if I'm not all the way in frame all the time. This is my first time trying to do video stuff. Well, my second time. Only my second ever video. So, let's open the second pocket. Here we go. I'm so excited. You guys, I can't tell you how excited I am to do this. Okay, let's see. Let's open this up. Okay, so we have a set here for pockets. In here, I think something was supposed to be in there, but I can't remember. I think there was supposed to be a set of knitting, like aluminum hooks. Like the small aluminum hooks were supposed to be here, but I'm not seeing them. But that's okay. Over here, there's a little pocket right here, and I can feel something in there, so we will get in there in a moment. Here we have a ruler. So this is a gauge marker. I'm sorry, not a ruler, it's a gauge marker, and it looks like it has little holes for gauge size, for hook sizes that you need. So that's pretty cool. I don't know how to use this, but I'm going to learn. That will be fun. So let's put that back in here. And then the next thing that's in here is this. I was excited about these. It is a pair of scissors. So here we go. Opening the paper. Open it up. I like it. There's the lid. You take the lid off and they're actual scissors. Then you hold it closed and put the lid back on and it holds it shut. I like that a lot. Trimming yarn. These are awesome to have. Trimming anything else as well. Not just yarn. Alright. I'm going to put it back in the plastic because I'll be honest, I'm kind of weird that way. And I like keeping my things in their containers as long as I can. I'll be keeping that plastic until it rips and falls apart. Okay, now I'm going to open the pocket. There we go. What is in here? We have a ton of stitch markers. And I love these stitch markers. We got so many different colors. There is green and light green and yellow and purple and orange and red and blue and light blue. I am so excited. I am such need of these stitch markers. Okay, so I'm going to put those back in here. And this is a row counter. I've never really used a row counter. I would love to help me keep track of the rows I'm doing. And it looks like it just turns. That's all you do. You turn it. Let me see. There's the numbers. And then you turn it. And it works. So you can have it set on 0 and 0. There's 2 numbers. Oops. Excuse me. It just fell. Excuse me. It just tried to run away from me. And it's small and I'm a little bit clumsy. So, but it has spaces for 2 numbers. So when you get into the teens and so on and so forth, it works for you. Alright, that's everything that came in my case. I am happy with this purchase. I might make a phone call and find out about those hooks that I am missing, but I might not. I'm happy with what I received. I am loving this set. I would definitely recommend this set to anybody. Now Glenda from Creative Grandma said these sell out quickly, and I would say that's probably true. There was only 11 left when I ordered this. But they probably have them in all the time. I love it. I'm going to be using it all the time on everything. Alright, that's it for this episode of the Yarn Barn. Next episode, I'm going to be doing an intro to the show and explaining what this channel is all about. Alright, happy holidays everyone. Bye.